Okay, for this question here, for this page, you're going to be filling out this table right here, the y's, and you're going to be filling out this right here. They give you these equations, but I'm going to give you some example like this, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so example. So I'm going to do y, 40 plus 10x. So I'm going to go like this. So then this would be the 40, and this would be 10. Okay. And then this, I'm going to go y equals 4 times 3 to the power of x. Okay, so then this is going to be gone. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we fill in this table right here? Well, we basically take the value of x, 0, and we put it right there. And when we do that, we get y equals 40 plus 10 times, here we go, so let me get red, times 0, right? From the 0 right here. Okay, that goes right there. So, so like that, and then that equals 40 plus 0, this is 0, equals 40, okay? So this is 40, okay? And then for 1, we take 1 for x, and we also put it right here and repeat, do the same thing, okay? So it'd be 40 plus 10 times 1. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 plus 40 is 50. So that's 50. And then what you notice is this goes up by plus 10, right? So 60 plus 10, which is this right here, see? And then 70, okay? So for this one, exponential, it's going to be y equals 4 times 3x. So what's the first x? The first x is right there, right? So that one goes to the power of 0, okay? So in this one, use your calculator. I'll show you the calculator. So we go 4 times 3 to the power is right there, power of 0, like that. Enter, and we get 4. So this is equal to 4. So that's going to be right there. And then we keep doing it for the rest of them. So we do it for 1. What's 1? It's going to be 4 times 3 to the power of 1. That's equal to 12. Okay. And then 4 times 3 to the power of 2. That's 9. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 3 times 3 times 3. So that's 108. Okay. At first, how about this? At first there are 30. At first there are how many globs? At first there are 4 globs when x is 0. Then they triple, times 2 equals double, times 3 equals triple. So they triple, okay? And then, okay, so the next question asks that. I translate that for you. So in Spanish, there it is, okay? Persian, okay? Pashto, okay? Okay, right here, the initial value is the beginning value. So the beginning value is 40, and the beginning value is 4 right here for the initial value. Okay. Next question is, what is the rate of change or growth factor? These things right here, rate of change or growth factor. From the table, the rate of change for this linear is plus 10. Okay. So that's plus 10 is the rate of change. And for exponential, it's times 3. Okay. From the equation, this would be for the linear, the rate of change is 10, right? So that 10 right there is the same 10 right there from the table. from the exponential, this 3 right here, right there, is the same as this 3 over here, which means the triple times 3. Okay. One last question. Will the linear or exponential growth produce more globs after 10 months? So this is after each month, right? So how do we determine which one? Let me translate that for you. Here's the question in Pashto, Persian, Spanish. Okay, how do we find out 10 months? So we go back over here and we say, okay, so 10, what we go to for the linear, we're going to go, the first equation was this one right here, right? So this is our equation, right? So we're going to go, y, let me get this out of the way. Can I get this? Y equals, wait, hold on. Let's go to, okay, y equals, what was my equation? It was 40 plus 10. Okay, so 40 plus 10 times x, but instead of x, it's after 10 months. So I have to go like this. So I put in 10. So this is going to be 40 plus 100 equals 140 after 10 months. So that's what it's going to be. Okay, that's how many globs. Now exponential, we're going to compare it. We're going to compare, right? So exponential, it's going to be y equals 4 times 3 to the power of 10. Okay, so what is that going to be? What is that equal to? So let's use our calculator for that. So we go 4 times 3 to the power of 10. Enter, and we get, wow, big number, 236, 196. So equals 236, 196. So this one produces more. The exponential produces more. Okay, so that's how this works. Okay.